Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V21e and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to do that. Let's start with opening the contact list, and this is the first way of blocking the number. So we have to find the one we would like to block and tap on it. And then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got option block number, so simply tap on it and confirm. And as you can see, your device will show you this characteristic icon, which simply means that your device just blocked this number, so you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, if you want, you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. So we will check if it will appear on the blacklist. And the second way to block a number, it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. And here we've got also a second way to block a number. Just tap on add a number, and here we can enter it manually or paste it if you've got it copied. Tap on block and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, here we've got the option unknown. We can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher, and here your device will simply block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your VIVO V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.